All right, moving on to example 2. Find the sum of the arithmetic series 5, 9, 13 plus ... all the way to 2001. Again, I'm going to look at this sequence. I'm going to identify everything that I know in this sequence. So I know my first term, which is 5. I know my common difference is 4. I know the last term of my sequence, but I don't know how many term numbers there are, but I know that last term is 201. So from this information, I'm going to go and look at my formulas. And when I look at my formulas, I notice that both of them, I need to know how many term numbers there are in that sequence. So I can't go straight to using one of the formulas to find my sum. So I have to do a little bit of work before that. So thinking back to our first day, I'm going to use our general arithmetic sequence formula to figure out, well, how many terms are in this sequence. So I'm going to substitute 201 for my last term. My first term is 5. I'm going to solve for n to find my value. So again, same thing as the other day. Instead of running this through the brackets, I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides, which gives me 196. I'm going to divide both sides by 4, which gives me 49. And then I'm going to add 1, which gives me 50. So the number of terms in this sequence is 50 terms, or you can think of this as term 50. So now I can add this to my information, and now I'm able to find the sum of this. So I'm finding the sum of the first 50 terms, and now I'm going to use that first formula. Mainly because it's easier, right? Instead of all this information, I just need 3 pieces of information. I need the number of terms, the first term, and my last term. So I'm going to find the sum of 50, which would be 50 divided by 2, times my first term, which is 5, plus my last term, which is 201. And so this would be 25 times 206. My sum answer would be 5,150.